All right, so QN is 30 and PM is 24. Find and explain QP. So this is the Regents exam's favorite question to ask lately. All right, take a rhombus, give you the diagonals, and ask you about one of the sides or the perimeter or something. All right, so if there's one question that you want to make sure you know how to do with these numbers, it's this one. All right, and more than likely, I pointed out there's a second question they love to ask too, so I probably already pointed that one out to you. All right, so what do I do? Well, what I'm going to have to try to get to here is that green equals half of yellow. All right, and what other color didn't I use here? Green, yellow, pink, blue. Okay, so I used all four of them. So let's get a different one. Let's use this orange color. And then orange is equal to half of blue because the diagonals bisect each other. Now, you may be like, why would that be important? It's important because the other thing there about rhombuses is the diagonals are perpendicular. All right, so I'm going to write over here. Diagonals are perpendicular, which means that I can use the Pythagorean theorem with the pink side being the hypotenuse. All right, so I got to take half of 30 and I get 15, and I got to take half of 24 and I get 12. All right, so then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do 12 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. That's 369 equals c squared, and I take a square root, and my final answer is 19.209. And because, again, there's no rounding, I didn't put any rounding in any of these, just leave it as the ... If it was a Regents question or an exam question, it would have to tell you what to round to. All right, so that's how that one works. Again, I'm going to say this one more time. That has been the most common Regents question lately. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen again, but it's the most common Regents question